Step into the vibrant world of USA Vegetables, where every field tells a story of freshness, nutrition, and tradition. From the golden fields of sweet corn in the Midwest to the rich green valleys filled with broccoli, spinach, and lettuce, America's farmlands are a true treasure of nature. Each vegetable carries not only health benefits, but also a cultural touch. Potatoes shaping comfort foods like mashed potatoes and fries, tomatoes creating the soul of sauces and salads, and beans adding protein power to daily meals. These vegetables are more than ingredients. They are a bridge between farm and family table, between nature and nourishment. Join us as we explore how USA vegetables bring color, taste, and vitality into our kitchens, making every meal a celebration of health and heritage.